What is up, beautiful babes? Sweet Angel in the building. All right, beautiful babes, listen, I am here today because someone requested this video. They want to talk about facial massaging. So we're going to get into that today. And there's various ways to do facial massaging. You can use your hands, or I also have some special tools that you can use. So we're going to be talking about all of that today. So if you're ready to know about it, please stick and stay. Thank you so much, Sweet Angel, for definitely putting this job on me. You're so amazing and you look so fabulous. Listen, I am here for the charge. Yes, I am. We're going to talk about facial massaging. First, we're going to talk about the benefits of it, okay? We are also going to talk about how to do it today in this video. So let's get started. Now, take these eyeglasses off and let me share with you a great little oil that I am using now that has multiple benefits, but I use it for my facial massages. And this oil right here is it. This is Glow Melanin's Rose Glow Oil. Let me tell you something. It's lightweight, it smells divine, and actually makes your skin look like you've been drinking water, getting 8 hours of sleep, and living your best soft life, even if you haven't. But let me tell you what I love most about it is that it doesn't just sit on top of your skin. It soaks in like a dream and leaves this beautiful subtle glow that makes you look refreshed and radiant, not greasy. I've been using it when I do my facial massages, and it doesn't take much, just a coin size amount onto your fingertips, and you can gently pat it in or massage it in. But this is what I'm going to be using today. But y'all, it has great benefits on its own. It helps in fading old spots. This has helped my skin tone so much. It is more even and my face feels so much softer. It's like I pressed the reset button on my skincare routine with just one bottle. Y'all, if you are or have been on the hunt for something that gives your skin that glass skin glow without breaking you out or feeling heavy, this is it. Trust me, Glow Rose Oil is a vibe. So facial massages aren't just relaxing. They offer a wide range of beauty and health benefits for the skin and muscles of the face. Now, of course, I'm not a pro at this. I just do what I do for me. If you want more technicalities and all of that, then, you probably need to move on to someone who actually does this on a professional level. This is what I do for me. But here is a breakdown of what I do. And I'm going to also give you some of the benefits that I've learned about facial massages. Now, first of all, we're going to start off with massaging with the fingers, the hands. There's no rhyme or reason as to which part of the face I start off with first, but the one thing about the fingers, your fingers give you precise control and allow you to feel the muscle tension. They're perfect for a gentle, customized massage. So basically, of course, with any type of anything that you're doing with your face, always start with clean hands and also a clean face. So I applied just a few drops of the facial oil. As you saw, you can use a facial oil, a serum, or moisturizer to reduce friction. Now, starting with my eyebrows, I used my thumb or index fingers to gently massage along the brow bone from the inner edge near the nose towards the temples. This helps to relieve tension. Now on the forehead, I use my middle finger and ring finger to gently press and glide from the center of my forehead outward toward my temple. I do this about 5 to 7 times. Now when it comes to the cheeks, I place my fingers on the side of my nose and sweep outwards toward my ears in gentle upward strokes, lifting the skin slightly. I repeat this 5 to 7 times. When it comes to the jawline and chin, I use my knuckles or fingertips to massage along my jawline, starting from the chin and moving toward the ears with firm upward strokes. And you can also do your neck using your fingers. Stroke upwards from the base of the neck to the jawline to encourage lymphatic drainage. And to finish, use light tapping motions with your fingers all over your face to stimulate blood flow. Now remember just to keep the pressure gentle to medium. Avoid pulling or dragging your skin. Now let's move on to facial massage using a Gua Sha tool. Now Gua Sha helps relieve muscle tension, improve circulation, reduce puffiness, and sculpt the face. So of course you prep with a facial oil or serum for the tool to glide smoothly. Now I have a multitude of Gua Sha tools, and you can choose one or the other to do your Gua Sha. But I will list out some that I have in the description box for you. So you start with holding the Gua Sha tool about at a 50 to 30 degree angle against your skin. Now on the forehead, start from the center of your forehead. I'm gently sweeping the tool upward and outward toward my hairline. Now I'm using 2, that way I can just complete the process a lot more swiftly. I use light to medium pressure, and I repeat this 5 to 7 times for each side. For the eyebrows, I am going to gently glide the tool along the brow bone from the inner brow to the temple. Now under the eyes, I'm gently sweeping from the inner corner under the eye outward to the temple. From the cheeks, sweep the tool from the side of the nose outward and upward toward the ear. And as you can see, some of the steps, or of course what you're doing, is pretty much what you've done with your hands, but we are incorporating a tool. And for the jawline and chin, glide the tool along the jawline, starting from the chin to the ear in upward strokes. And for the neck, sweep from the base of the neck upward toward the jawline. And when you finish with the Gua Sha tool, just clean it with warm water and soap and then dry it. And just to let you know, just use smooth, slow strokes with gentle pressure. Never press hard or scrape aggressively. And next up, we are going to be getting into facial rollers. Listen, I want to thank Immerse for sending over their Immerse Face Massager Roller Kit. And let me tell you something, I'm loving it. It comes with 2 tools, the 3D roller and the T-shaped vibrating bar. Both of them vibrate, y'all. The 3D roller glides over your face and jawline so smoothly. It feels like a mini face lift right at home. I can use it while I'm watching TV and doing my nighttime routine. It just wakes up my skin. And that T-shaped roller, game changer, it vibrates gently as well and feels amazing under the eyes and around the brow. Super soothing, no cords, and so easy to use. So if you're looking to adding something like this to your routine that's simple but powerful to your skincare routine, try it. Try it. And beautiful babes, when it comes to a facial massage using a massage roller, a jade or a rose quartz roller, the roller is great. The roller cools and soothes the skin while enhancing circulation and promoting lymphatic drainage. So of course, as always, you prep your skin Apply your facial oil, serum, or moisturizer for smooth rolling. Start with your forehead. At the center of your forehead, you'll roll outward towards your temples, and you repeat that for about 5 to 10 times on each side. Under the eyes, use the roller from the inner corner of the eye outward towards the temple. Be very gentle here. Repeat 5 to 7 times on each side. For the cheeks, roll from the nose outward to the ear in upward strokes. Repeat this 5 to 7 times on each side. For the jawline and chin, roll from the center of the chin along the jawline up to the ear. Use upward and outward motions, repeating that for 5 to 7 times. You can also roll the neck. Roll from the base of your neck upward toward your jawline. And once you finish with any of your tools, always clean them. Just use a gentle cleanser, or even alcohol wipes may work as well before storing away. And you can keep your roller lightly chilled in the fridge for extra refreshing and depuffing effects. Not too fond of that, because this one does have where it's operated by battery, so I wouldn't want to mess up the mechanisms of it. But if yours is not battery operated, then easily do that. So basically that is it. And I do have other roller tools that I have used in the past, which are amazing for the same process. So facial massages, however you do them, are amazing, helping to boost circulation, reduce puffiness in under eye bags, relieving tension in your facial muscles, promoting lymphatic drainage, even improving product absorption and helping to lift and firm the skin. You might also see a reduction in the appearance of fine lines. This also is a great way to help you relax and relieve stress. And over time, it helps in brightening the complexion, because fresh circulation helps improve dullness, giving your skin a radiant look. Listen, glowy, healthy skin doesn't always require expensive treatments. Sometimes it's as simple as taking a few minutes a day to massage your face with intention, whether you're using your fingers, a roller, or a Gua Sha tool. These techniques can make a real difference in how your skin looks and feels. So go ahead. Treat your skin to some love today. You deserve to glow.
Hi, beautiful babes. That is it. So refreshing. I don't know why I feel so much lighter now, but it does help to move that fluid out of the face. And as you can see, my eyes are already, the
puffiness is going down. Try one of these facial massage methods and let me know your favorite. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and save for later. Your skin will thank you.
All right, beautiful babes. I will see you in the next video. Take care until then. And please make sure you tell a friend where you're hanging out at. I'd love to have them over here as well. Please, please do that by sharing me with your world.
She's got hands that heal and words that light the way. Lifts up the broken even when she's in pain. Carries her story like a sacred flame. Won't let the world forget her name. They tried to box her in, but her soul was made to fly. She don't just survive, she's the reason others try. There's power in her voice, strength in